Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to clean your jewelry at home. So let's go. Okay everybody, you need 5 things to clean your jewelry at home. You need baking soda, toothpaste, any toothpaste that you have you could use, lemon, water, and a little brush. Any brush you have at home. This is the jewelry that I'm cleaning. You see how it is very dark. The ring got paint on it. The earrings don't even look shiny. So I'm going to teach you how to clean it. First step is mix the baking soda with the toothpaste. You're going to mix the baking soda and the toothpaste very well, okay? As you can see, I'm just mixing. After you finish mixing the baking soda and the toothpaste very well, you're gonna go ahead and you squeeze your lemon so you can have your lemon juice ready. Now I'm pouring the lemon juice into the toothpaste and the baking soda. You see that chemical reaction is fine. Don't get scared. We need that for our jewelry to be nice and shiny. Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and mix that and make sure you don't leave no crumbs. Okay, so mix. And now after you finish mixing it, you're going to go ahead and grab your brush, wet it in the liquid that we just made, and scrub your jewelry and place it inside the liquid. Okay, now leave the jewelry sitting in the liquid for 5 minutes. Then you come back and grab your little brush and take the jewelry out the liquid and you scrub it with a little brush. Make sure you scrub it very good, okay? After you scrub it very good, you place it in the water. Once you're done scrubbing, get a second bowl of water and scrub the jewelry again and place it in the other bowl full of water. Make sure you scrub it very good, okay? Now, after you're done scrubbing, you're going to grab a little paper towel and you're going to grab one by one of your jewelry and you're going to dry it very good. I really like how my jewelry turned out. It came out very, very clean. I was looking at it right there. I was like, wow, look at it. Now it shines. You will see the results at the end of the video on how clean this liquid got my jewelry. And once you dry your jewelry very good, you're going to go ahead and let it sit for an hour so it could dry very good, and then you could wear it. Look how clean my jewelry is. Now you could see the sparkles, you could see the shine, you can see how beautiful and clean my jewelry is after I use that liquid. That's the best thing to use to clean any type of jewelry so you could have a nice and shiny. I'm in shock with the results. I really love it, and yeah, you should try it. Well, everybody, that's how you clean your jewelry at home. If you made it to the end of the video, like the video, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.